Aaron, is this just a tropical storm?
No, this is not a tropical.
It's a tropical storm.
Hi guys, I'm in a hurricane.
Woo! That's my stepdad right here. His giant head. Whoa. Oh, training. Ah! They're going to Lowe's. They're going to Lowe's. There's my grandma. There's my grandma over there. I don't know if you can see. She's watering. Dang it. Wow, winds have picked up pretty good. My dad's gonna actually be coming over, and I'm gonna actually vlog me and my dad. But it's chilly out here. Woo! Bye.
Oh no, we're blowing away. Put us on YouTube. I'll bust your butt.
What? It can't even see y'all. Oh gosh. I got fake people straight out to my face. Oh, like it's kind of blowing the camera away. The flooding has kind of stopped. I mean, it's still a little flood, but over here, take a picture over here. Whoa! That was wind. Gosh, it is windy. As you can see right there, it's actually kind of really flooding. It's about an inch of rain. Let me step in it. Oh, that is definitely an inch of rain. We got picked up 1 inch. Gosh, it's blowing me. Oh, whoa. Oh gosh, I forgot. Oh my goodness gracious. I got fake people showing love to me straight up to my face. Sorry if I'm singing. I don't know what that song is called. And if you can't see that palm tree over there, there is actually a palm tree. Wow. Goodness. There's actually a palm tree over there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, but there is a palm tree. Goodness gracious, it is just, the winds are just picked up. Oh my gosh. Whoa, yes, totally got this on tape. Perfect, yes. Subscribe to my channel. Wow, goodness gracious. It is, the winds are just, look at this tree. Gosh, it's more windy than rainy. Oh my god, wait. Whoa, what just happened? Something just fell. Oh my god, a light. It just fell. Time out. Whoa, a light just fell. Something just fell. I don't know what it was, but hopefully you heard that. Oh, it is dangerous out here. It's starting to get really dangerous. In the meantime, thanks for liking and commenting and subscribing, sharing with your whole family. This is part 3 of Hurricane Harvey and the tropical storm. We will see you on another video of Fiesta, Texas. Peace.